یہ ویڈیو بہت انٹرسٹنگ ہونے جا رہی ہے. اس ویڈیو میں سب سے اچھا جو ہے فوڈ آف دی سیم کلر چیلنج، مطلب فوڈ کا جو چیلنج ہے نا وہ سیم کلرز میں ہوگا. بہت مزہ آئے گا. تو چلو اس ویڈیو کو اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں اور آئی ایم شیور کہ آپ کو بہت اچھا لگے گا.
No! But fresh and fruity Fanta? Yes, please. Yeah! Yes! One for each of us. I'll take yellow. Green for me. Yum! That means I get red then. So refreshing. Awesome. And delicious. Whoa. What the heck? I don't know. My shirt. Emma, what's going on? You got a yellow tee and now I'm in a green one? I have no idea. Look, Mary has a red shirt. How is this happening? Where did Andy go? I don't know, but I'm really scared. Come here, Emma. Oh no, not Emma too. How? Where am I? What is this place? Hey, Emma, you're here. Andy, I'm so happy to see you. Where are we? Oh, guys, what's with this setup? Different color clothes and a plate for each of us? Is this a challenge? As the gang rightly guessed, they've fallen into a color-coded food challenge. Yellow for Emma, green for Andy, and red for Mary. Might as well go for it. They're just peppers. Tasty. So there's nothing to be afraid of? No, there are chilies here too. Water. Onions aren't any better. Oh, so tart. Ugh, no, I can't eat any more of these. It's too spicy. Come on, Emma, just a bit more. There. All right, guys, I'm pretty sure I won. So I suffered for nothing? Andy, look at your ear. And Emma, you too. Emma. What? What's wrong? My ear's red, isn't it? Yep, this is so weird. Round 2 is up, and our trio has another task. An egg yolk, broccoli, and a plate of red caviar? Rabbit food. Ew, how gross. I've never tasted anything more delicious. Why can't I have a hunk of meat? This is impossible to eat. No way, I refuse. I can't stomach this. What are you two complaining about? I have to say, this challenge is amazing. Finger-licking good, really. And I won. Is my other ear red now? Yep. And mine yellow? Let me guess. Green. Bingo. The game continues. A yellow tart, green grapes, and red gummy bears. So sweet, tasty treats all around for round 3. Everyone looks pretty happy. I absolutely love gummies. I can't stop. Best round so far, by far. Oh yeah, better fruits than veg. Just as we predicted, there are absolutely 0 complaints about their dishes. No losers, only friendly winners. Take a look at that. All 3 of our contestants' necks have been colored too, but that's no reason to stop. Bananas, an empty plate, and watermelon. Hey, where's my food? It's right here. Watermelon, so good. You're gonna have to be patient, Andy. the green stuff. The rind? Are you kidding me? This is the worst thing I've had to bite into yet. And I win again! Yay! Boy and girls, y'all are getting more and more covered. Well, a challenge waits for no one, no matter the color. Fries with spicy mustard, cucumbers and wasabi, and radishes with Tabasco? Welcome to the hot and spicy round. Who's got it worst? I knew the tables would turn on me eventually. Oh, it burns! Ah! I'm about to channel my inner dragon and breathe fire. Whoa, it might be time to call the fire department in. Nobody was able to handle their dish. Yellow lips. Green lips. And Mary has lucked out again. It just looks like she layered on a lovely shade of fire engine red lipstick. So what's being served up next for these three? Cake, seaweed, and a rose? What am I supposed to do with a flower? It's sweet, sure, but what's it taste like? Shockingly not bad. Seaweed salad? This is so unfair. Why do I keep getting all the plants and awful ones, too? Gotta fish eat this. Yellow cake is my favorite. Such a good friggin' round. These dishes were to the girls' taste again. Emma and Mary take another point. Andy, not so much. All 6 arms are almost fully painted, but that's no surprise to anyone here. They're all waiting for what's next. Corn on the cob, asparagus, and ruby red grapefruit. Looks like Andy's looking at another vegetable. Whatever. After seaweed, I'm not afraid of anything anymore. So juicy. This corn is crunchy and delicious. I have to beat the girls this time. I won't stand for another loss. Get a load of my empty plate, you two. Finally! Each round, a new part of their bodies are dyed. This time, it was their eyebrows. Things are getting interesting. Emma has nothing. Mary has nothing. And Andy somehow actually has something other than veg. Hold up, Andy. Not so fast. What? Why? The yellow bun is mine. The red tomato is for me. And for you, green lettuce. Another plant? No! Mary downs her slices quickly. Same for Emma and the bun. But Andy is once again taking his time. I'm first again! Who cares? That means this run is over and I can eat this burger. No way! It's not green! Don't even think about it. We have finally made it to the final round, and the gang is almost completely covered. One is worried, someone else is panicking, and the third is a-okay with it all. Something yellow in a cup, green peas, and a pomegranate. Let the battle begin. This is heavenly. Believe it or not, I love peas. How do I crack this fruit open? Looks like Mary's gonna lose. 100%. I will open you. Open! sprint to victory. Time to pick up the pace. No need to rush, Mary. I've already got the gold. I'm given a chance to fill my stomach. Though if I have to eat slowly, that's less likely. I will at top speed. Let's do this, guys. This burger looks to die for. I'll be enjoying every last bit and every last bite to the absolute fullest. Susie, you might be going even slower than necessary. You'll never finish your burger if you keep that up. So why don't I help you out a little? There, now the end is in sight for all of us. I'm really getting into this. Huh? Hey, where'd all the good stuff go? What? Mary, was this you? I just wanted to lend a hand. Sorry, no more time for chit-chat. This double-decker burger is calling my name. Same here, and I've got a Coke to go with it. Watch as I set a world record for scarfing down a whole burger. I was not ready for that. Done and done. Now to wash it all down. The perfect combination. Hey, I got the good card this time. Thank you very much. Wow. It's the turtle life for me. Oh. Slimy fish? Say it ain't so. I don't want to eat this at any speed. Ugh, it's so smelly and slippery as well. Gross. No, that's it. I can't handle anymore. I think I might be sick. Why does it have to be so big? What a nightmare. Mary, how are you doing that? What? I mean, it wasn't all that bad. Check this out. I don't think I can repeat your performance. And you won't have to. We're going to make you a seafood smoothie. Throw this guy into the blender, and we've got a very aromatic drink that you can down quickly. Help yourself. But I don't want to. Oh, sure you do. You'll love it. Not even a little bit. Speaking of bits, yuck. It happens. I'm ready for a new dish, and thankfully I'll be inhaling whatever it is. Medium tempo? Alright then. I am not happy about my card at all. No. Hold your horses. What gives, Mary? I'm gonna put all the chips into this bowl. No need for the cans anymore. Last batch of chips. Now for the last step. Why would you do that? No. Wow! Heads up! Open wide, my friends, and chow down. I'm not sure even one chip will make it to me. Oh, spoke too soon. But I want more. Come on. No. Slow down. I can't catch them all so quick. Someone's been caught in a Pringles downpour. I'm not mad at it. Yay! Speed is my middle name. Ugh, same old, same old. Not true, we've got a new dish. Noodles with sauce. I'll take a bite at a typical speed. There we are. I don't know where to start. more compact. That's much better. Nice manners. Ooh. So yummy. You're up now. I suggest you get to it. I have a feeling this is gonna take a while. Wow, what a long piece of spaghetti. I wonder where it leads to. What the heck? What are you doing here? Ew. I'm so confused right now. Jade, get out of here. Excuse me, I just need to finish this noodle. Just make your exit already, jeez. What? I must be nearing the end. Please tell me I am. It ends in the trash. Mary is behind all this. I should have known it. You watch out, Mary. Garbage food, very funny. Not. Uh-oh, she looks really mad. Bon appetit. Finally, I get to eat something lickety-split. It's cake. This looks so appetizing. I'll go ahead and start if you don't mind. I'm at a loss for words. The weight is killing me. I'm drooling uncontrollably. Hang in there. I'm going next. Believe you me, I only need a handful of seconds to finish this off. I've always wanted to dive into a cake head first. Wow! I had no idea she had such a major sweet tooth. What are you guys looking at? All good in the hood. I see you've cleaned your plate, so to speak. I'll be starting slowly with just the frosting. And we'll take care of the cake for you. Oh, hey, where'd all my cake go? You were moving at a snail's pace. We had to do something. Some friends you are. No one will have a chance to get their hands on my dish this time. Yes! Oh, back to taking my time. Oh no, broccoli? No choice but to try it, huh? Ew, so not for me. Doesn't look like Susie is a fan. I really doubt I'll enjoy it either. Okay. But I do have all the time in the world to try and improve it. Yeah! At this rate, I'll be old before you even start. Patience is a virtue, my friend. Look at how pretty it is now. And to top it off with some sauce. What a culinary masterpiece. Beautiful, tasty, and healthy. Time to eat. Oh no, I was a bit off the mark by calling it tasty. Ooh, this is revolting. Cheesy sauce will save me. Now I'm terrified to try it. Well, I've got a feeling it'll go down easier if I break it up some. Call me Hoover, I'm sucking up every last tiny tree. Uh-oh, there's been a clog. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to do that. How embarrassing. Today luck is on my side. Yes. We'll see about that. I'm confused. What's with the plants? Huh? Ow, so pointy. I'll give it a go. Okay. Not sure if there's any chance I'll like it. Yuck, I am done. I tried, and that's it. Not really selling this stuff, are you? Maybe if I cut the stuff up, it won't be all that bad anymore? Let's see. Ew, nope, not any better. But if I remembered right, this stuff is great for your skin. A face mask would do me good. I can feel my skin getting softer as I speak. What am I gonna do? Alright, it is what it is. Wish me luck. Whoa, Susie has an iron will. And teeth, too. Bleh. I can't eat another bite. I shouldn't have tried it at all. Ooh. Although, look at what I made with it. Not too shabby. How do you usually eat? At a slow, medium, or fast pace? Tell us in the comment section and then hit the subscribe button as well. Life is never boring with our channel, so check out our other videos as well. Until next time.